Very cute. We got a booklet that tells all about the area. Some little coasters, end tables, some gorgeous windows. I love the way that they did these shades, curtains rather. Got a decent sized fridge, heater, rocking chair, garbage water, AC, alarm clock, all these appliances, cups and plates, cushions for the chair. Inside here, there's more blankets, board games, and if you come through here, then you get the bedroom. Have a lamp, an iron board, little place to store some clothes, queen size bed, window, some art, the gorgeous wood. If you walk through the bedroom, there's a staircase here to an unfinished area. There's a rack to hang your towels. And through here is a generous bathroom. Here's the toilet, that really cute toilet paper roll holder. Shelves for towels and whatnot. The toilet is a little tight. I wouldn't suggest this place if you're any wider than I am. The shower, however, was very doable and actually pretty spacious. A little sink, side racks,